Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You already know this 2004 Toyota Sienna. With 206,000 miles, she already was a star of this YouTube channel once. She has unfortunately a lot of problems, and in this video I will show you how you can diagnose, how you can see, even without the special tools, when you have lower arm in the front suspension, lower control arm bad bushing. And it is on this side, it's on the driver's side, this front lower control arm bushing, it's a toast, and I will show you right now how you can see it yourself. And we will compare it with the other side to make it clear for everybody where that problem doesn't exist yet. So lower control arm is basically mainly securing it in the forward and back movement. So I don't need to be prying on the top of the wheel and try to push it in and out. It's more this way. So observe the wheel. Do you see how it's freely, absolutely freely moving in these two directions? Let me give another example. You will definitely see it when you will come and try to torque your lug nuts. Observe that whole wheel moving forward and backwards. Look at this. Do you see it, how much movement is up here? It's pretty unbelievable. Let's go and compare it on the other side. There's no really space here to put the camcorder differently, but look. The whole wheel is refusing to move. The torque wrench can click, but there's really no movement. It's just absolutely tiny. Obviously, when you move stuff like that, but that's it. That's within a spec. Again, one more time, back to this one. Do you see that? The torque wrench even didn't click yet. Now, you see how it moves there and back, there and back. Yep, perfect. And I said she has many problems, unfortunately, for the owner. Look also on the plate and the wheel bearing and also listen to it. Do you hear that? So 12 and 6, you grab it, not here, that will be steering, 12 and 6, and listen to the bearing. That's pretty bad. And it's not, in this case, that lower control arm bushing, which we will look in just in a second together. Here she is, without a wheel. She also got a brand new brakes. Rotors resurfaced, brand new brakes. But because the lower control arm bushing is completely shot, which you hopefully can see that crack right now, if this owner keeps braking with this vehicle, this wheel will keep moving there and back, there and back, there and back. Therefore, there will be still remaining the vibration in the steering. So do you see how bad it is? Let me maybe show you different angle. As you can see, there's one more bushing right there, which is basically very hard to see. Right there, that's also the part of that lower control arm, maybe from under. Can you see that shape of it? So here we have bolts holding it. That's a steady. There's a lower ball joint, which is good, but these are two different bushings on that Sienna design, and the problem is right here. I will try to put it here on the tripod and move it one more time for you so you can see it. It took a while to prepare this angle, but hopefully right now you will see it in the full see that huge movement there where the crack is? That's exactly that excessive movement which causes or allows that the tire, that wheel, to go forward and back. So I guess it's clear to everybody that that lower arm or the bushing needs to be replaced ASAP. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you enjoyed, please give it a thumb up. Be subscribed because I have a lot coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.